Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you camera mode and low light tips on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. So first, what you want to do is, if you got a low light scene, then make sure that you open up the camera. And here what you guys want to do is go over and scroll to more. Now click on night vision. And once you click on night vision, you can just take a picture. As you guys can see, you can tap your focus, and I've got some pictures ready. So this is the picture taken. There was almost little to no light, and this is, as you guys can see, this is without the night photo, but they still make it brighter. And here we have much better clarity. We can see every single detail because of the night photo. Of course, we got more pictures. This was taken with the night vision. The quality is still there. And this one was also taken without the night vision. So there was a little bit of the test. This was taken without, but there was a bit of a light. And of course, we got one more where we did not use it, and it looks pretty bad. So that's it. And basically we want to make sure that we aim for something, and of course we can tap the focus so that our picture is much better. You can try using normal photo and then boosting up your exposure by tapping and swiping up. As you guys can see, the exposure is so boosted that it's white now, and now it's black. So now this is how you guys can do that. So that's basically it. There's not much to talk about because low light is a pretty hard way of taking pictures. But of course, with the night vision, everything is possible because it will just make everything so bright, and then you will be able to change something in the post-processing, like enhancing. We can crop it. We can also use the filters. We can simply use another filter and it will look much better, and our picture will be better. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.